Peace be unto you and your family. 11th Chemistry, Unit 2, Quantum Mechanical Model of Atom, Important Questions 49 to 51. Question number 49 is, so that if the measurement of the uncertainty in the location of the particle is equal to its de Broglie wavelength, the minimum uncertainty in its velocity is equal to 1 by 4 pi of its velocity v. So, what is the condition given? The uncertainty in the location of the particle delta x is equal to lambda de Broglie wavelength. We know the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, delta x into delta p is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi, or delta x into momentum p equal to m into v, uncertainty in momentum equal to m into delta v. Mass is a constant for an electron. So, instead of delta p, when you substitute m into delta v is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. We know in our question it is given as the uncertainty in the location of particle is equal to de Broglie wavelength. Instead of delta x, substitute lambda into m into delta v greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. Delta v is equal to or greater than or equal to, bring other quantity to the right hand side, h divided by lambda into m. We know the de Broglie wavelength equation, lambda equal to h by mv. When you substitute in this equation, so 4 pi is missing here, 4 pi. Delta v is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi into m, lambda value h by mv, which get cancelled. 1h get cancelled, 1m get cancelled. So, delta v is greater than or equal to v by 4 pi. That is, finally, the minimum uncertainty in its velocity is equal to 1 by 4 pi of its velocity. That means 1 by 4 pi into v. That is our v by 4 pi. Answer is correct. Come to the next one, question number 15. Question number 15. What is the de Broglie wavelength of an electron which is accelerated from the rest through a potential difference of 100 volt? We know the lambda formula. Lambda equal to h by mv. What is the value given here is that potential difference of 100 volt is given, that is nothing but kinetic energy value. Kinetic energy half mv square equal to 100 volt. 100 means 10 power 2 into charge of the electron 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Half mv square is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 17 joule. What is v square? Bring the m and 2 to the right hand side. When 2 go to the right hand side, it becomes 2 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 7 divided by m equal to mass of the electron. 1 joule equal to 1 kilogram meter squared second power minus 2 divided by mass is in kilogram. When we cancel kilogram, v squared unit is meter squared second power minus 2. 2 into 1.6 equal to 3.2, 2 into 16 are 32 into 10 power minus 7 divided by Mass of the electron 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. 9.1 is approximately taken as 9. 1 9 is 9. 0.3 nines are 27. Remaining 5 50. 5 nines are 45. So 0.35 into 10 power minus 7 minus not 7. This is 17. 17. 10 power minus 17. When I bring this value to the numerator, it becomes plus value. So V square equal to 0.35 into 10 power minus 17. When I bring 10 power minus 31 to the numerator, it becomes 10 power 31 equal to 0.35 into 10 power 14 meter square second power minus 2. This is your V square value. To find V value, we have to take square root of the right hand side value. So square root of 0.35 into 10 power 14 meter squared second power minus 1 is written as meter second power minus 1. The square root of 0.35 is 0.59 into 10 power 14 square root is 10 power 7. That is equal to 0.59 is approximately written as 6.6 into 10 power 7, or we can write 6 into 10 power 6 meter second power minus 1. V equal to 6 into 10 power 6 meter second power minus 1. Now we substitute all these value in the lambda formula. Lambda equal to H by MB, that is equal to H value 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 divided by M value 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into V value 6.10 power 6. As usual, 9.1 value is taken as 9. We can cancel these two quantity. 1 6 is 6. When you cancel this, 1 6 is 6. 1 6 is 6. Here 0. 26. So 4 6 are 24. Remaining 2 20. 3 6 are 18. When you cancel by 9, 0. In 11, 1 9 is 9. Remaining 2 20. 2 9s are 18, remaining 2 24, 2 9s are 18, remaining 6 63, 7 9s are 63. So that is equal to 0.1227 into 10 power minus 34. Bring this value to the numerator, 10 power plus 31 into here 10 power minus 6. So in 10 power we have minus 14 plus 31 equal to minus 9. The answer lambda equal to 0.1227 into 10 power minus 9 meter. In scientific method, lambda equal to 1.227 into 10 power minus 10 meter. So the answer lambda equal to 1.227 into 10 power minus 10 meter. So question number 51. Identify the missing quantum numbers and the sub-energy level. In the first case, sub-energy level is given as 4D. So 4 is our n value. 4 is our n value. For d orbital, L value equal to 2. First question answer is over. For second, this is sub-energy level asked. N value equal to 3. L equal to 1 means that is p orbital. For the third one, 5p sub-energy level is given, orbital is given. We have to write all these value. N equal to 5 for p orbital, L equal to 1. Therefore, the possible m values are minus 1, 0 plus 1. Any one m value is applicable for 5p. And supplementary level 3D is given n equal to 3 for d orbital l equal to 2. Minus 2. Actually m value are minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, any one value. Minus 2 is given in our question. So up to this we have completed in this video and in previous video the complete discussion of important questions from unit 2 Samachir Kalvi. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.